How to find a specific word on Brave browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find a specific word on any website on Brave browser in easy and fast way. So the first thing we do is we go to Brave browser, click on the Brave, and now let's just choose any website like Wikipedia. We go to Wikipedia. Now let's write some. We want to find some word like media. You should go to those three dots here, click on them, and then click on find in page. Now write what you want to find. As you can see, I write it wiki. Now it will show me all the words with the wiki that I search about. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like if this video was helpful.